Hi, Rob here. Been a while since I've been on here, but I know you've been giving you excuses why, but yeah, I've just got a little bit. What would you say? I wasn't real happy with a couple of systems I was using, making some money, not making some money, and then I find out that a lot of the leads that I was generating, which I was generating quite a few, were going to other people because I had a bit of code missing in something which I don't do the coding. Anyway, that's a bit of a thing that annoyed me. So I just kind of gone off a few things, but I've been into other things. Of course, I've never stopped. It's not one of those things I kind of give up on. Always done a few funnels and websites and whatever, but I've just started a new system which has got 7 income streams, and it's really surprised me. It's surprised me how not only easy to set up, it is a real beginner one if you want to be a beginner, but it's the 7 income streams are well thought out, well set up, and needed in most businesses. Even if you don't need a couple of the income streams, you still make money off them. But a lot of the other things involved is good for established businesses. There's a couple of lead generators there, which I've never been a real lead generator person, but they're amazing what they're putting out, and the referrals I'm getting out of them are very good. So I'll get to that. But what I wanted to do is let you know. I'll have a link underneath for what the program is, but give you over the next 7 days. I'm going to give you an overview of every different income stream and what it does and where it can help you. And a lot of you probably already know about it, but like there's just little intricacies. Anyway, there's little things about each one that are kind of really good, and they all link to each other. Your affiliates go up in stages. So if you get one and they end up doing the whole income streams, you're kind of connected to them over the time, and of course 5 levels, 10 levels deep, whichever it is. But it's a very good system. It's not so much the, how can I say it? It's just well put together, well thought out, and it's really worthwhile looking at. David that actually put it together, he has a lot of training, a lot of good common sense type approaches to everything. He does a lot of training on how to market properly, how to get people involved, not just through lead generation. So I'm going to have a few bonuses come out with this too, like helping you out, a bit of consulting or phone call to help you set it up if it's needed, or just support. I'll have a few other bonuses that will be put together and will be coming out very soon. So keep an eye out for those. But I'll let you know in the next kind of 7 days that what they are, and if you join, well, you'll be open to them, and even if you join before that, you'll still get them. But yeah, so hopefully you have a bit of a look. The link will be underneath, like I said, and send us a comment if you need to know anything or you like to get in touch and have a chat. Okay, see you later.